this is her first time in our videos. Yeah. So, and we are going to show you these traditional Achinese bag. You can get this at Potret Gallery if you are in Indonesia, or you can get them by email at Potret Gallery. And these bags, they have lots of colors. Why don't you show us some of them, Naila? We have lots of them. We have these black ones with some patterns. Why don't you show us? So in this bag here, we have this kind of purse for your money or anything. So in this pattern, we have lots of colors. We have yellow, green, white, and red. And on the background, it's black. And here is green. And on the back is just the same pattern. And then we have a green trimming down here and little white zigzags. Yep. Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and comment. Bye. Bye.